वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटच्या आवारात कोयर शुद्धीकरण प्रकल्पाक विरोध करपी लोकांनी म्हजे कडेन ह्या विशीं केन्नाच चर्चा करूंक ना। तशेंच हो प्रकल्प नवो न्हय जाल्यार आपूण आमदार जावचे पयलींच सावन ह्या प्रकल्पाचो प्रस्ताव मांडिल्लो अशें मंत्री आलेक्स हांणी सांगलें। जाल्यार कांय लोकांक सगळ्या प्रश्नावयल्यान राजकारण करपाक जाय अशें ताचें म्हणणें।
See, the beauty of many issues that have been raised vis-a-vis Mumbai constituency is that the people who raise these issues have never come to me. So I have no comments. Number one. Number two, this waste management plan, this proposal is not new. This proposal was there before I became an MLA. Nothing new. So everybody was sleeping for so many years. Now they've got up.
Even they met, I think yesterday the minister.
No, they met the waste management. I saw on Facebook.
So as a local MLA, sir, how do you see?
How do I know what is the problem? Unless you tell me what are your issues.
So they have never approached you.
No, they've never approached. See, the issue is basically if you try to politicalize things, then things go in a different direction.